We're coming to you live from the Long Island Paramount, sponsored by TD Bank. Oh yeah. At the Paramount, we celebrate and observe the best band Take two. At the Paramount, we observe and experience the best actors and performers that are shown live on this live stage as we speak. They have shown up a lot of interesting. They have shown a lot of interesting action here. We've been through the VIP lounge, and they have this. They have this view where you can look on. They have this special bar where you can watch from above, and they have a bunch of really interesting comedic acts. Tonight we're gonna see Margaret Cho, one of the best comedians ever. The last time I went to a comedic show, I ran on stage against my will, and well, I just wish to apologize to that one lady. Anyway, there are other actors coming up in the distant future. For starters, they got Andrew Dice Clay. They also have Pete Authentic. They also have this Wheaties restaurant. It's been a few minutes since the show started. When is the show gonna start? Honestly, what is going on? Keep the party going? You bet I will. They also got Ella's. That's really amazing to watch. That's Margaret Cho, the lady that we're gonna see. They also got a lot of other actors like Jim Brewer. There's Brian Regan. Wow. They have Broadway shows here? Jimmy Carr. Ha. Sounds like a movie. Alright. Anyway, the show is about to start. So, watch and observe as an actor shows its live performance here on this live stage. It's already 7:38. When is the show gonna start? Anyway. Oh! I know this song. Disturbia. Anyway, this October has been a bit of a blast. We've drawn up one of the few of the craziest characters, starting with Tarantulas, a Predacon from the Beast Wars arc. And there's going to be a whole lot of other fighters that are making their debut on my series, coming to you soon. Anyway, in the meantime, there are a few others that I also drawn up, like Super Saiyan 4 Pan. I've also drawn Hypnobot from Sonic Boom, along with Scorponok. And we've got a whole lot of other ones coming in the future, like Megatron X, otherwise known as the other Megatron, which is a really cheap gag. And for the big finale, we're gonna draw the Decepticon for the Rise of the Beast movie, Unicron. Only we're drawing the G1 edition. And we've got a lot of big stuff coming next month. We're gonna draw more dinosaurs. Yeah, I haven't drawn that in a while. Yes. And one more thing. If you guys saw my last performance on the Paramount in the last episode, that's what they look like backstage. Did you know that Yo Gabba Gabba first premiered on here? I just looked, and they did premiere at the Paramount. I wish I would have been there. If it wasn't so old, I've drawn up a picture for the Paramount, and I even drew up for what they looked like. I call it the crossover concert. Yeah, I haven't been really doing much of One Piece lately, but coming next year, I'm going to be drawing up a lot of things involving One Piece, like General F, a giant robot for the New World. I'm also drawing up the genius Chester Buggy the Clown, and one of the mostly favorite characters from the One Piece series, where the pirates were going to enter the Grand Line and protect the dragon from a Marine Admiral known as Nelson. You don't need to know what he looks like until I've really shown him. And it's been a while since Rising Fist had posted anything new. The only thing that they posted is the whole storyline of the Legend of Omni Goku, which I'll be drawing in the near future. I've also been drawing up fighters like from other series, from the Rising Fist series. I haven't seen anything else since the Legend of Vegeta the Destroyer and Broly. They've had this serious battle between each other, and the last time I checked, Broly turned Super Saiyan 4, Legendary Super Saiyan 4 against Frieza, who had a new transformation called Dragon Frieza, I guess. That I'm also posting in 2024. We've had a long year, and I haven't really been posting that many dinosaur videos in the past, but I'll be drawing more. And of course, 2024 is the final year that I'm doing my series, but I might extend it to 2027 if I have any time. But I'm serious. My New Year's resolution is done and done. Really. I've already done enough last year. And I'm not going to waste another year doing that. Anyway, I may be posting videos in 2024 in March, and the next month after, in the next month besides this, that's just like this one. And, pretty interesting. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. I didn't see it. Anyway, we are gonna post the. Anyway, next year is gonna be my college thing. I don't know when I'm gonna be available, but I will soon. I already posted a few for 2025. I might post a few more for 2026 in the distant future. Let's see, what else? See those pretty lights? Interesting, huh? I know. Anyway, I do know that Bakugan, the new series, has been a bit of a ripoff. But I will be posting a few characters from that series, including the new Titanium Evolution. I don't know when, I'll just draw it. I've already gone up to 740 subscribers so far. I bet it's already increased, and holy cow, it's starting! But I'm gonna need your support on when I'm gonna be doing more subscriber stuff. So I need your help. It's starting! We love you!
Hi, how's it going? Nice to see you. My name is Ian. I'm your host for tonight. Hi, how's it going? Nice to see you. What's up? Nice to see you.
We love you, sir!
I warned you.
Ladies and y'all, welcome to the Barber Cho Show! We did it. Nice to be here. Hi,
All right.
everybody. I've been touring the country with Margaret all year. It's been so much fun. I'm from Texas, so I'm just happy to be anywhere but there. Anyway, thanks for coming out. Y'all's town is so cute. I love little Huntington. It's real charming. Right? It's real cute. It's very gay. Sorry, y'all are super gay. It is all your Halloween decorations. I'm like, oh, a bunch of faggots. It's so cute. Thank you, Dad. Thank you. I can say faggot. Don't get quiet on me. I can say. Whoa, thank you. Right? See? I can say that word. I have anal sex, y'all. I earned it. Okay, I can say faggot all day. Sorry, I'm belligerently gay. Sorry, this is y'all. There's queer people here, right? Can we queer people? Are there straight people here? I don't want to be divisive. Are y'all there too? Okay. That's too many. That's a lot.
All his music is posted on that screen, and it's posted live on TV.
And thanks for coming out. I know
Live on
like
public television.
Right now, if you watch the news, because it's like it does, but it's like it's not. Don't worry. Like I said, I'm from Texas. I know what the end of the world looks like. And the news is fun. I mean, not now, but the news is fun, y'all. Like the trick is you have to smoke weed. You've got to get high and watch the news. That is the trick. Like I promise. Is weed legal here? Is that a thing?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, it is.
Because I ran.
Yes.
So I got to get some. But you gotta get high and watch the news. That's the best way. Like, y'all, hurricane season is about to end. That's the funniest show on TV. Have you ever seen that? Because y'all get them up here, right? Like, hurricane season in Texas is the funniest fucking show on television. Because, like, no matter how big the storm, every, like, news station in the world sends a poor weather.
Right, got it.